Congratulations, you just got your first heat press and you're ready to get started making t-shirts. But hold on a second, something we gotta do first, and that's get your heat press out of the box. Now, there's one common mistake that we see all of the time, and we hopefully wanna help you avoid, and that is destroying your box and packaging. Now, it's very important that you keep your box and packaging for the duration of your warranty period. Now, this is going to be important for a few reasons. First of all, you want to keep your box and packaging intact just in case there's shipping damage on the machine that you may not have noticed at first. That way, you could send it back to us. We'll get you a fresh, brand new one right away. The other reason why it's important is for warranty service. Now, in very rare occasions, it is necessary to exchange your machine down the line for warranty service. Again, this is very rare, but it does happen. And when that happens, you're going to need your box and packaging in order to ship the machine back to us. In this video, we're going to be using a Signature Series 15 by 15 inch heat press, and we're going to show you how to unbox it if you're the only person available to do so. Now, ideally, we do recommend having at least 2 people on hand to safely remove the machine from the box. But again, in this video, we're going to show you how to do it if you're by yourself. All right, now in a perfect world, we'd have 2 people here, and I would just open up the top and pull it out that way. However, I realize a lot of you guys are unboxing this solo. So as long as you're aware of the weight of the machine, you're okay lifting that yourself, I'm going to show you how to unbox this heat press solo. Now, to do that, we're actually going to slide it back a little bit. We're going to very carefully, all right, do not slam this. Very carefully tip it over. Slide it back a little bit more. Very carefully set it down. Go ahead and get your knife or blade, scissors, whatever you got. Go ahead and open the box. And just to confirm, we are actually opening this from the bottom. Okay. Now, these are double boxed for safety in transit, so there's another one I have to get to right here. Okay, so now is a great time to remove the wood panel that your heat press is bolted onto. Now, this is all for safety to keep everything together in transit. Not all heat presses are going to have this wood panel, so if you open yours and you find this is what you're going to want to do next. Remove those bolts. Let's go ahead and pull this panel out of here. Gonna gently place that over here to the side. All right, and that's the beautiful bottom of our heat press. So now let me show you how to unbox it safely, securely, with only one person, and without destroying your box. All right, I'm gonna slide it back a little bit here. Okay, so now the key is we're gonna tip it back over on its side, but you need this panel held down. If you must, go ahead and tape that in place, or you can just hold it like so. Gonna very carefully tip this back over. Okay, slowly, slowly. There we go. All right, we're gonna walk it back a little bit again. Now we're gonna tip it back over, making sure these flaps are all out of the way. Careful, careful. So now our heat press is on its feet and we can safely remove the box. Now we can safely remove all the styrofoam packaging. Now you want to make sure you look in all your packaging, because in some of the packaging there's these little compartments to hold things like the feet to the machine, an adjustment wrench, your manual. So just keep that in mind. Look through all your packaging. Don't destroy or throw any of it away. All right, now at this point, we highly recommend having 2 people lift the press up off the floor and place it onto your table or your workbench. However, if you're using proper lifting techniques and you are physically able, now's a good time to go ahead and pick it up and put it where it needs to be. And there you have it. We were able to safely and properly unbox our heat press while keeping all of the packaging materials intact. If you have any questions about the unboxing or setup of your heat press, go ahead and call our technical support department at 800-215-0894. And of course, you can find our full selection of heat transfer equipment and supplies at HeatPressNation.com.